Hey everyone, welcome to this episode today. Have I got a little Christmas in July for you? Bonus video. Let's go. Okay, so big box. It's literally like Christmas in July. I just got this. I did open it and then I realized, oh no, wait, I want to share it with my friends. So now I'm opening it with you. Okay, so are you ready to see what's inside? Because honestly, there's just like this renaissance of paper crafting product right now. It's like 1999 all over again. I don't know. Did we have a renaissance then? I could be totally wrong, but who cares? Let's get to the good stuff. Okay, this is a good thing. Have I talked about this already? I think so. SBC Fest, it's coming up. I will link it. If you have participated in this awesome free weekend, you know what I'm talking about. You can get the sticker with like $20 purchase at the SBC. So you want to check that out. If you've never participated in SBC Fest, this next fall is your sweet opportunity. That'll be kind of like a Christmas in July too. Okay, golly, where do we start? Such good stuff. Okay, this is the silicone, no, not silicone, the new storage little box things. I'm a scissor opener girl. I just like to use my scissors to open the things up. I'm not really good at the ripping. Who likes to rip their gift wrapping open, or do you like neatly, gently, kindly open it up at the tape parts? Yeah, that would be me. Okay, so these are super fun. I'm loving this already because I always just have stuff that I need to put into things. So this is going to be good. They stack. So like you could collect them and just have, I mean, because we're all here for the storage solutions, right? I hear from you all the time. And yes, by the way, I've had the questions. I am working on a studio tour. I have not forgotten. I got to get through Christmas first. Okay, so those are good. Those are good. Okay, this is something else that has actually been in the coming soon for a while now at ScrapbookCom. And it is these new blending brushes. They are gorgeous, number one. I just think they're pretty. I am a super big fan of these little sizes here. And here I go smashing it. So can you see those brushes there? Let's see. Let's get some. There we go. Oh, it's a little dusty, friends. Isn't that great? That, and there's so many. And there's long, and there's small, and there's medium, and there is large. So blending brushes, brand new, beautiful. And I think I'm not sure, because I'm not completely sure I know what's in here, because you know I never remember these things. Oh yeah, there it is. It's staring at me right in my eyeballs. It is the tool holder. So let's take out this sweet little tool holder, which is really cute. Right? It's white. Probably stands about, what would you say, 2 inches tall? And then I just see flowers. What do you see? I see flowers. And so because it's silicone, these brushes can just kind of fit in here wherever you want to put them. Isn't that great? I'm here for it. That is fun. So that was just called the tool holder. And I'll be interested to investigate what else I'm able to hold with those tools. That'd be great. That'll be great. Okay, what's next? Have you seen these? These have been in the shop for a little bit now. It's just really large, like professional grade pops of color. And we have black. This, I believe, is pearl. This is one of my most favorites to use. And this is a great blender. If you have a color that you love, but you're like, yeah, just a little bright for me, the pearl is a great color to blend other pops with. And then I think this one's called Snowflake. And if you can see it, it's got some little sparkles going on in there. Okay, continuing on. We have several new stamp sets here. This one is an existing one already. It's just one I didn't have. So isn't that merry, beautiful? And I love the different fonts here for the happy holidays. Good Christmas. See, told you it was Christmas in July. Okay, now these stamp sets include Whale Hello. Super cute, super cutie. Gosh, I'm thinking of this project that my son did in the 2nd grade where he made a whale. He made a stuffed whale out of paper. And this would have been so cute because I made a little book. I might just have to add to the book. You know, who knows? Grateful Gnomes, grateful for, I love that family, you, happy y'all. I always love things. Cute little leaves in here. Sweet pumpkin. And if you're here for the gnomes, there they are. So that's a lot of fun. He's got plaid. That's great. These aren't quite available yet in the shop. They are coming soon. I always encourage, I'll have these linked below, but I always encourage you, go click that notify me so you know as soon as they're available. This one is Christmas Gnomes. Merry Christmas, gnome for the holidays. Great, like, sparky thing, right? Isn't that great? Pretty little snowflake. More gnomes holding mugs and trees and hearts. Oh, and so we got all those. Okay, you've seen that. Then we have Hello Summer. This is really, look at that sun. Soak up the sun, that's great. Beautiful summer font. Love you to the beach and back. Have a wonderful summer. Sending sunshine, fun little flamingo. And then we have this palm trees for making your own palm tree. That's fun. It's like build your own palm tree, right? Oh, did you see what? Santa was really good to me, or I was really good. I don't know. Look at this brand new. Now, this is an exclusive at ScrapbookCom, but it's pink. It's a sweet pink Misty. You know, here on this channel, if you have watched even a couple of my videos, that I'm always reaching for the stamp platform. It is a friend in the studio. So this is pretty. This is pretty for Christmas. Wink, wink. All right, this is a mess of dies. Oh my gosh. And again, I'm just going to keep repeating myself. You know how much I love the dies, right? So we have this beautiful, nice, large love you in a really sweet font. And then here's what I call a card plate. So this is an A2 size. So you've got all this play with the negative or the positive. That heart is screaming for some kind of love. Did you see what I did there? And this Geo Square is really pretty. I'm seeing this for Christmas, but I'm seeing it for fall also. But I'm also seeing it in the background for something summery. Super versatile. And literally, I have just now, you see me open these up. I'm just now looking at these. These are all backwards, but you can see here that this is grateful, blessed, and thankful. You have the inside word, then you have like what I call a drop shadow or the bold. And so you can have a lot of play with that as well. Butterflies. Who likes the butterflies? I'm raising my hand. Can you tell? That's me raising my hand. These are called pattern butterflies. And again, you have like the base, and then you have the cutout with the polka dots. Super sweet. I can't wait to cut these out. Can't wait to see what these look like. And shape dies. Tricky time. This is what he looks like. So he's got a bunch of pieces. You can have a lot of fun with these feathers and maybe adding some stamped image to it, a sentiment. You could make this so it sits up on a plate for a name tag at the dinner table. Just some thoughts just flying off my head. This one's called Hedgehog. And so he's also a thanks. It's a different font than the previous thanks. A sweet little heart, a sweet pumpkin, and etched, right? We got this great etchedness going on. Oh, there's that little baby heart. And then we've got some parts to this little hedgehog too. So he's in the house. Bear hugs. When I saw this in the shop, my mind went to what can I do for the grandbaby? I don't know yet, but my mind is, and I'm sure you will drop me some ideas in the comments. So I'll be watching for those. So that's called Bear Hugs. And this is called Fox. And I just think he's really sweet. And I love the flowers. Of course, I'm always here for the hello. Got a pumpkin there. And let me see here something. This pumpkin, just in case you're curious, like here on the hedgehog, that's like a tiny pumpkin. Then you have this taller pumpkin here with the fox. And so a great little size hello. So obviously this is going to be great for card fronts. I can see an ornament being made with this, but also it could be really fun for a layout page as well. Okay, I'm being super honest with you here. I literally saved the best for last. Who is here for this cozy foliage? This is so, oh my gosh. I have no words. I have words, but I'm not putting them out there very well. I am loving the cozy foliage. That is super fun. Etched as well. And so I'm warning you now, we're going to be putting this one to work. Like as soon as I feel like it's fall outside. It won't, I mean, today would have been a great fall day. It's, you know, the rest of the country is like 115 heat index and we were like 70. Okay, let me see. Let me take a minute and open this up here. These are the new silicone work mats. And I'm just shaking here. Here we go, here we go. Let me get this out. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open 2 of these. This is, I believe, 18 by 24. And so it is silicone surface, so you can get super inky and messy on it, but you got a grid. You've got this A2 card size going on here, both directions, right? So this is just like, I don't know if you saw the work mat that I have my box sitting on right now. This is just like it, but it's white and it's silicone. So for all you inky and painty and pops of color makers, that is going to be ideal. I'm going to open 1 more of these because this is like the one well, I'm going to lie. I'm going to lie to you if I'm not careful. Let's see. This is obviously black. I've never worked on a black silicone mat before. I wonder if there's any difference in that. So this one is about, it has a 12 by 12 grid on it, okay? But you know, it's a little bit bigger than that because that's just the actual grid. This is really pretty. I have work mats literally all over the studio, and when I do my tour, you're going to see why, whether it's on my work desk. I love the silicone for my mouse pad. I have my, my die cutting machine is sitting on a silicone pad because it kept scratching the surface that I had it on, and that was no fun. So let me pull this guy out. I lied to you. I have to pull them all out. We have to look. Okay, so this is like the large white one. This is another 18 by 24. The grid goes to 22 inches this way to 15 inches this way. Oh, wow. Oh, I can't wait to deck it. I love decking out my workspace. What about you? All these questions I'm asking you, I do hope you'll answer me in the comments. Okay, now this is called, it's a tiered stadium storage solution piece. And it does require some building. You can see inside here a picture of it. I believe we might have even seen it on an SBC and a ScrapbookCom live. So that's what we're talking. So we have 5 layers, and I will have to put this together and show you what it actually looks like. took about 10 minutes to actually build, and it does help to have a small screwdriver at the ready. And so that is my suggestion for that. And now, of course, I'm curious. I'm pretty sure I could just probably count on the packaging, but I am curious, how many pops will this hold? And so I have easily fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 50 pops of color. I actually have more bottles of pops than that. I'm not proud. Well, actually I am, because I do love the pops. They're a lot of fun. So I'm going to need another 5-tier. But, so you have an idea. I'm happy to have this because now I'm going to be able to see my colors instead of having them kind of hidden in a basket like I do currently. So that's a wrap, friends. And yes, you'll have a couple of screws and bolts left over, so don't freak out about that because, you know, we do. And thank you so much for watching this impromptu unboxing celebrating Christmas in July. Any questions, any thoughts, any comments, any help? I'm here for it. All of these are linked below, and I will see you in the next video.